You guys, we're back. Today we're going to put on the gasket on under the rocket cover and put it back together.
And the reason why we opened the gasket cover to check the valve clearance.
And we could have done it a lot faster if we didn't have a crazy guy with scissors cutting the gasket, which was still actually good. So now we have to spend 30 bucks on a new gasket.
To keep the rubber gasket in place. I believe they said that's the correct parts this time. For a change. That would be nice.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
It doesn't happen that often when people start remembering to bring the right parts. Always dependent of other people. Fails.
Read the instructions.
Okay, so to get that thing back in there, we're going to have to remove the carburetor. So I'm going to try and flip it from the back over the front.
This one is shot to shit.
No, you shot the shit. You shot it to shit because it was okay when I...
No, it was like this before. No.
Damn it. Just get the angle grinder and just... Yeah. See, it's not
I told you I was gonna do it.
Nothing wrong
Have
with
a
it.
little faith in
God
me.
damn it.
Have a little faith.
If your only tool is a hammer, every problem looks like a nail. So we'll leave that for the next time.
So
There can be some...
this cylinder.
No?
Yeah,
That one?
third cylinder. Yeah, you got it
No,
backwards.
this one.
You
You
turn
got
it
it
around.
backwards.
Turn it around.
Yeah, that's that.
See? This is the front that goes into the cylinder.
Uh-huh.
And that's the one that's giving us a problem.
Good.
We're only good when it's done and it's running.
Yeah.
Let's just think we're,
We're
good.
good. We're
It's called
good.
confidence.
We're awesome. We're awesome people. Men can still learn from us. It's never too late.
You're never completely useless. You can always be used as a bad example. Just lift the fucking cables.
Alright.
All right.
Boom.
Boom.
good help is hard to find.
Well, that's about it.